Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about why retirees will enjoy staying at these 10 best hotels in 2023. So let's start my video. Retirees will enjoy staying at these 10 best hotels in 2023. Summary: retirees can embark on the grand adventure and indulge in well-deserved pampering at accurate hotels that offer fresh recommendation and impeccable service. From the scenic Pacific coast of Panama to the vibrant city of Kuala Lumpur, this destination provides retirees with the opportunity to explore and create memories. Each hotel offers unique experience from the award-winning spa and world of Australia, Panama to the appointed rooms and sharing views at Wyndham Puerto Santa Ana. As the year go by and the retirement approach, it is time of freedom and adventure. Retirees having earned their respite find themselves at the crossroad for endless possibilities. Among the numerous journey patrons, this an increased pleasure in selecting a destination that not only offers replacement comfort but only speaks to the soul and ancient prophet, as is merely the number of years of the world has been enjoyed. You have been run really the world with a myriad of experience stands ready to embrace the wealth of memories. But where does not one begin this grand adventure? Amidst of sea of joy, one often longs for his guidance of roadmap of shores that leads to not just any destination but the creme de la creme. Hotels are destinations with heart designed to make each moment of your retirement truly special. World of Astoria, Panama. Situated amidst of scenic Pacific coast skylines, World of Astoria, Panama presents a heaven that speaks to the heart of the retirees. Here visitors are welcome with elegance and warmth, and every detail is thoughtfully crafted to ensure their comfort. This idyllic heaven offers retirement treasure for a lifetime. When the Guayaquil, Puerto Santa Ana, Ecuador, with 175 well-appointed guest rooms offering spacious comfort and inviting signature beds, the hotel is a retired even at every turn convenient and relaxation await them. Nestled a step away from the historic Santa Ana Hills, renovated by the iconic lighthouse, this seamlessly connected to the vibrant McLean 2000. The bustling river walk in the mecca of tourist attraction from the land, Le Perla Ferris wheel enchantment awaiting from their discovery. Grand Hyatt Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Malaysia offers some of the unique destinations. The first time visitor nestled and the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Grand Hyatt Kuala Lumpur offers retirees a prime location overlooking the iconic Petronas Twin Tower and proximity to the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center. That strategically placed hotel provides an ideal base for retirees to explore the vibrant city away on the city. Gama Monterrey, Rincon de Santiago, Mexico. Gama Rincon de Santiago is widely recommended for the exceptional hospitality, catering to travelers seeking a peaceful retreat for both business and leisure purpose. Its place there are unparalleled beautiful of natural can be fully appreciated with reforest recreational activities. Surrounded by the breathtaking mountain landscape and serene dam is offered a truly tranquil larger celebrations. Pousada de Lisboa, Portugal. Located in the heart of Lisbon, Pousada Lisboa grace the city most fashionable district, making it an ideal destination for retirees looking to explore some of the most beautiful vacation spots in Portugal. Once its residents fit for royalty and a hub for government affairs, these small luxury hotels and Lisbon has underchurch with and meticulous restoration, now serving a getaway a lavish urban experience, blending tradition, tourist and contemporary fare. Persida Lisboa beacon retires to the pictures pursue Adobe spa where guests can enjoy resonating magic spa, signature massage and treatments. Marriott's ST Kids Beach Club, Sand Kids and Nevis. Nestled on the scenic island of ST Kids, Marriott's ST Kids Beach Club is an oceanfront haven designed to enhance retirees seeking an unforgettable getaway. This exceptional vacation ownership, the resort offers spacious 2 and 3 bedroom villas, rental each other thoughtfully, kitchen, luxurious master suites, and inviting finished balconies. Marriott ST Kids Beach Club seamlessly marries luxury and comfort with the romantic allure of ST Kids, an emerging Caribbean gem for the promised retires an unparalleled paradise or to cherish. Kalarans Hotel, Helsinki, Finland. Discover the joy of together is Caroline Hotel Helsinki, ideally located in the vibrant Jatkasari district. This appealing, making it an excellent choice for retired seeking adventure. Significant place in the Finnish culture and identify. Mount Lodge, Botswana. Cast off on a picturesque territory at Mount Lodge is Mount, where retirees can experience the natural beauty of the Okavango Delta. Located just a step from this breathtaking river, the lounge offers a serene escape for those seeking tranquility. Guests can enjoy the convenience of a well-equipped business center, ensuring that any work of their personal affairs can be managed effortlessly. To retirees arriving by air, Mount Lodge extra miles educational park, making one stay both comfortable and memorable. Courtyard by Marriott San Jose, Escazo, Costa Rica. Discover boundless opportunities for adventure and relaxation at Courtyard San Jose Escazo, nestled in the heart of the Costa Rica. Their welcoming retreat near downtown San Jose offers retirees the perfect blend of convenience and leisure. Explore the vibrant local scene for the bustling multi-plaza Escazo or to the enchanting butterfly kingdom, all just moment away from the more adventurous spirit. Embark on the experience, flavorful dishes complemented by a selection of wine, cocktail and beer. Hotel Plican Martinique, located in the charming enclave of sculpture where the sun-kissed Place del Lens Madden beacons just 200 waterways. Motel Pelican emerges as the perfect way heaven for sea and where paradise is not a dream but reality. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed the affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This fund affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.